Hello friends, welcome to Cook with Surbhi. Today I am going to show you the recipe of chocolate brownie or chocolate fudge brownie. The brownie is not like a cake, it's a gooey kind of texture it's having. So I will show you the whole process, and yes, of course this is eggless brownie, so please keep watching till the end. Let's get started. For this, the ingredients are as follow. We have to take 40 grams of butter at room temperature, then baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. This is the dark chocolate which is 120 grams, 30 grams of all-purpose flour, 20 grams of cocoa powder and 200 grams of condensed milk, a pinch of salt. So first of all we have to melt our butter. So we just have to melt it, do not boil it, just melt it like this. And into this I am going to add all those dark chocolate. So here I use Mode dark chocolate. You can use Amul dark chocolate, but that should be dark chocolate, don't use sweet chocolate. Now we have to mix it till the chocolate got melted. Now once the chocolate and butter get dissolved, we have to mix condensed milk, and here we have to work very fast because chocolate used to set very fast, so be very quick here. So here I have used the condensed milk and I will give it a mix. So see how nicely these three ingredients have been mixed. So now I will keep this mixture aside and we'll add all our dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, then dark cocoa powder, a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So now with the help of a hand whisker I am going to mix it. So that all these dry ingredients are evenly mixed. Now into this I am going to add my wet ingredients which we have prepared. So here you have to be very quick, as I am using this word all the time, to be very quick because chocolate used to get set very fast. Scrape out all your wet ingredients and then now using a hand whisker we will mix it. So at this time you will find that the mixture is getting a bit tight, so don't worry, that is absolutely correct. The mixture will be a bit tight, it should not be as flowy as the cake. So now you see this has been mixed and you see the consistency, it's a bit tight kind of consistency. Now into this I am adding vanilla essence 1 teaspoon and then again mixing it. Now you see this will be the actual consistency of your brownie. Now we will prepare our tin. So if you are having parchment paper you can use parchment paper. In this lockdown I am not having parchment paper, so I am greasing the tin with butter and then dusting it with some flour. Just make sure that dusting and greasing will cover all your corners. And now I am putting all the brownie mixture into the tin. So I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now my tin is ready to go inside the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So now after 35 minutes, brownie is ready. Now using a knife I will demold it and cut it into the desired shapes like a square or rectangle. So friends, you can see there is a crinkle effect on the top of my brownie, and using this process the brownie will be very much gooey and very tasteful. So especially for the kids love this a lot, so kids will never say no to this brownie because this is full of chocolates and full of nutrition of homemade. So you can see the texture, there is some at the top, there is some crinkle effect. And friends, when you will be baking it, you will find that from the middle it will sink a bit, so that is perfectly fine for your brownie. So now I am going to plate this. So here I am having some chocolate syrup, so I am going to drizzle some chocolate syrup, that is a dark chocolate syrup I would prefer, on the top just for garnishing it. I am dripping some dark chocolate syrup on the top, and you see your brownie is ready. So friends, I hope you like this video and you will must try this recipe. Please give me your feedback, like this video and share it with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel for further more interesting recipes. Thank you.